Tignan niyo, oh. Nag-ayos siya, guys. At sobrang ginaw, oh. Good morning. Look, oh. Yung ating window. So, yan yung ating morning kanina. Nagpakain ng mga alagards. Ba't umitim itong kaldero? Adoy, umitim na naman. Bakit kaya? Anong ginawa ni Mister? Siya gumamit nito. Umitim. Iwan po tayo ngayon ni Tamimoy. Punta po siyang trabaho. So, kaya ako naman dito. Kain ako ng kanin, guys, kasi last night hindi po ako nakakain ng rice kasi gulay yung kinain namin. Hindi ako masaya sa kinain ko kagabi. At bukas magluto tayo ng patatas. At bumili si Tami ng pork ribs. Ayaw ko sanang kumain. Ayaw kumain ng pork ribs eh. Magluto ako ng ano na lang, isda. Perito, yun. Naglilinis din ako at naglalaba. Yun siya. Yun. Tubig lang ang katapat nito, guys. And this is from last year, summer. And binili ni Tami. So, hindi ko siya tinapon kasi magagamit ko kasi ang rosemary talaga. As in. At ito ding ating onion. I don't know. I think I have to get rid of the onion, guys. Han, why you always crooked when you park?
What?
You're crooked. Like, do you have water? Look, yung snow, guys, o dahil sa ginaw, hindi talaga nag-melt dito sa garahian.
No, that's the only water that's frozen. Only other water.
Because it was broken, that's
No,
why.
it wasn't broken. It broke from freezing.
Oh,
Water expands on freezes and cracks the glass.
okay. I want to go shopping. I want to go shopping, but you look what you did to my car.
Look what I did.
No, my car is a lot, there's a plow. Aroy, shopping ba? I want to go shopping.
Good.
Han, I'm walking?
Go cab.
No, cab. That cab thing, it cost you a lot of money. Now it breaks my heart. I don't have nothing to use. I'm so dramatic.
Love you, Ann. Go inside.
Love you, love.
Love you too.
Be careful driving, please. Put the GPS first. Where you're going, okay? Put it first. Turn the car on and go outside. That I can go into. What's your name? So, kasi magpunta siya sa ibang trabahoan ngayon. So, kaya nakalimutan niyang dalhin. So, ngayon, kasi kapag malubat siya sa trabaho daw, wala siyang cellphone. Wala siyang charger na dala. Ang ginaw, guys. Han, open the garage. The fume. You want me to put it in your car in the tank? Maybe you forget. Okay, open the garage. The fume. Oh, sus. Allah, it's ice lang. Aduh, sakit sa mata. talaga yung buhay, guys. So, ngayon, dahil kailangan kong maglaba. And the dogs, she's just like I have to go over here. Kailangan kong ano yung vent ng ating dryer. Na-cover siya sa snow. So, kailangan nating i-open. Kasi alam nyo na, dito lalabas ang ating Yun guys, kailangan ko talaga itong gawin para naman makahungaw. No? Naglaba kasi ako. And then, yung nilabhan ko, kailangan i-dryer. And then, na-realize ko, kailangan palang i-open. Kailangan palang i-open. Tara. Pwede na tayong mag-dryer. Tara, pasok. Sobrang ginaw, pero ang ganda ng araw. Bye guys! We will be right back, Rox! Meron lang kaming bilhin. So, tara. Oh, it's cold. Uy, my shoes is not good for this, hon.
Then change your shoes.
Hello, uy, I have to change. Uy. You really
Really want to melt much?
Nope.
Melt it down lower in the driveway.
It doesn't melt properly because, you know, it's freezing, guys. It's below. In the morning, you can feel like negative because of the coldness. Sasama na lang ako, guys. Oy. Kasi parang ano man itong asawa ko. Sama na lang tayo sa kanya mag-grocery. Ayaw ko sanang sasama kaso walang choice in Demirian. So, nakalabas na kami sa ano, guys, grocery store, and punta kami ng Filipino store. Bili ako ng kailangan ko. Sobrang lapit lang din. So, nakabili na ako sa Filipino store ng I bought 6 pack of 6 moringa leaves. So, yun siya. And 6 na, guys, para meron tayong kain kung kailangan nating magluto. It's very sunny, ah. Very cool. Very Hawaiian. This buttery. Yeah. So we are home. Why everything is out, love? Huh?
I didn't eat before we left. You did.
I thought you eat something. Nagutom na ikaw, dong? Kaluoy sa ni Dudong Tami. Nagutom di ay, uy. Na. Mauna ni Ron. Nagutom si Dudong Tami. Winter ba ya? Gawa tayo orange, guys. Kasi bumili si Tami ng marami-raming orange. So, kailangan nating gawin yung una niyang nabili. para meron siyang bagong juice. Salamat guys sa inyong panonood ha. So, itapusin ko lang itong aking mga ginagawa para naman matapos tayo kasi meron pa akong mga lulutuin para makakain yung ating afam. At itong orange kasi kailangan kong gawin kasi namili na naman siya ng marami noong nag-grocery kami. So, kaya yun si Inday Mary ang naligaga para itapon yung old and then inumin ang bago. Kasi si Tami mahilig uminom ng mga kahit sobrang old na. Iwan ko lang itong asawa ko. So, kaya binilisan ko na dito guys kasi kailangan kong magluto ng pork ni Dodong Tami. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.